Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix mic and audio not working on your PlayStation 5 in a simple and effective way. First, check your headset connection. Make sure it is properly plugged into the controller or connected via Bluetooth if wireless. Now, press the PS button and go to Sound Settings. Check the input device and output device, and make sure the correct microphone and headphones are selected. Next, look at the mute button on your controller. If the orange light is on, your mic is muted, so press it once to unmute. After that, go to Settings, then Sound, and open Microphone. Adjust the input level and test your mic to see if it is picking up your voice. Also, check your in-game audio settings, because some games have separate voice chat options that need to be enabled. If the issue continues, restart your console and update system software to the latest version. Finally, try another headset to confirm whether the problem is with your device or the headset itself. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.